Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Ben. Thanks for coming along on a wonderful Monday here for our small group video. I'll start with singing to you there. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning to my friend, and how do you do? Yeah, I'm in a merry Monday mood. How are you doing? I hope you're outside. Watch this video later when the sun goes down. It's a nice, beautiful day. Ooh, so get out there and enjoy it. But let's see. We'll check out the board here. It is Monday, and for number one, this is kind of weird. We haven't had a week like this. We will have school on Tuesday, but then Wednesday is crossed off. Isn't that weird? We have a holiday, Veterans Day is on Wednesday, so there's no school on Wednesday, but we will have school on Thursday and Friday. So come back tomorrow, but then not the next day, but then yes the next day, and yes the next. I know. So we'll figure that out tomorrow. But so be here again tomorrow. Number two, this is what I look like most of the time. Ooh. I was trying to draw a problem face. Like, oh, there's a problem. There's some question marks there. We talked about ways that we could solve problems. I had a little book to share, but it was on the computer. I don't know how to share it on the video. So we'll just talk a little bit. And then for number three, it was another book about directional words. So here's an arrow there going up over the head. Most things are going up over my head. And then there's another arrow going under. So we could talk a little bit about some direction words too. So back for number two, problem solving. So what is a problem? A problem is when something's not quite going your way. There's an issue that you need to solve. So it could be a problem with a friend. It could be a problem with something that you're working on. Like maybe you're trying to zip your zipper and it's stuck. It could be that, or an argument. So there could be many, many things that could cause problems. So we were talking about ways that you could solve your problems. What do you think you could do? If you're at home, you could ask mom, dad, auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, cousins, anybody. You could ask for help. So usually the best way to solve a problem is usually to use your words. You could either ask for help, or if you're having a problem with another person, like sometimes at school we have problems where I want to use this toy, but I want to use the toy, and we both want to use it at the same time. So what could we do if we have a problem with another person? Same thing, you could use your words. So you could talk to that person, or if you need some help, teachers are here to help you too, and we'll help you solve your problem. So we said that what you got to do, first you got to figure out what is the problem. So you got to figure out, okay, I want to use the toy, and Miss Karen wants to use the toy too, so that would be the problem. So we know our problem. Now the second thing you do, you have to think of a solution. So how could you solve the problem? You say, well, Miss Karen could use it first, and then maybe I could use it after. Or maybe we could use it together. That would be fun. So we could do something like that. So share or take turns. That could be a way to solve the problem. And then try it out. So try it out. See if sharing helps solve the problem. And if that doesn't help, then maybe you got to think of a different way to solve the problem. But trust me, when we get back to school, we'll have plenty of chances to solve problems together. But yeah, so work through. Let me know if you're having any problems. Maybe I can help you solve them. So that's what we talked about for number two. Number three, it was all about those direction words. So we talked about over. So let me see, I have this tube here. So I could say I'm putting the tube over my head. Now it's under my head. I can look through the tube. So you could go through it. What else? Oh, it could be next to. Now it's next to my head. All kinds of stuff like that. There was a very cool book we looked at, and it had pictures of kids and things that were maybe things on top of or underneath, all kinds of direction words. So yeah, it's just ways to describe where you are or where something else is, using all those directional words. So that's what we did today. Whole lot of fun. Please make sure you get outside. Oh, get outside and play. Ask us, Mom, Dad, Auntie, Uncle, Grandpa, please can we go outside? And get outside for a little bit, play, have fun, and then later you could check out the videos. But yeah, and come back to school for school tomorrow. We'll see you then. And until then, bye everybody.